The number one mistake people make when they file a lawsuit themselves is turning it into a pity narrative instead of a legal claim. If you're thinking about filing a lawsuit, let me tell you the number one mistake people make, and it happens all the time. They turn their case into a pity story. And they talk about how they were treated, how unfair it was, how bad it felt. But they never answer the only question the court actually cares about. What law was violated? And here's the cold truth. Courts don't enforce feelings. Courts enforce law. And if you don't understand that from the beginning, you can lose your case before it even starts. This isn't about telling your story. It's about proving a claim. You've got to be disciplined. You've got to be precise because the courtroom doesn't run on emotion. It runs on rules. And at some point, you have to shift your mindset. Stop thinking like a victim and start thinking like a litigant. You see, a litigant doesn't complain about unfairness. A litigant asks, what law governs this conduct? What legal right was violated? What facts prove that violation? That's the standard courts use in every single case. Not how unfair something felt, but whether a legal right was violated and proven. I've been representing myself for years. I'm in general session court, circuit court, federal court, workman's comp court, and even the Court of Appeals. And let me tell you, it does not get easier. It didn't start clicking for me until I lost a couple of my cases on technicalities, and I had to appeal them. And that's when I learned, if you're going to represent yourself, you better be ready for the reality because nothing about the law is easy. And once you step into the courtroom, you're stepping into the lion's den. So you better be ready to fight the right way, not with emotion, but with law. The legal principles, courts do not decide cases based on how unfair something felt, how emotional the situation was, how badly you were treated. Courts decide cases based on violation of law tied to enforceable rights. So this is what you must do on each and every claim you do. You must ask or answer these three questions. What law was violated? The statute, the constitutional right, or the contract provision? What right do you have under that law? Due process, equal protection, wage protection, contract right. What facts prove that violation? Dates, actions, documents, and communication. When you frame your argument as a failure to adjudicate, you force the court to confront the law, not the emotion. Here's an example. My employer treated me unfairly, but here's the one that is going to drive it straight home. My employer failed to pay me overtime in a violation of the Fair Labor Standards Act 29 USC 207. If you can point to the law that was violated, if you can't point to the law that was violated, you don't have a lawsuit. You have a complaint. And those are not the same thing because at the end of the day, courts don't enforce feelings. Trust me, they enforce law. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.